So on the lead hook, one of my favorite drills on this is to have your right hand up when I'm in a standard stance, southpaw opposite, and I'm going to put my left arm behind my back, and I'm just going to my shoulder here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to move my center, and this is the motion of the lead hook. So we call slamming the door. And as you're moving your center over, your front foot pivots. Okay? So you want to do this quickly, and you're right back. So this is the motion. Once again, slamming the door. Boom! Okay? Now, going further, want to keep your arm as an L. We'll explain in a second. Put your hand up. This is the motion. And this is the motion that you're doing with the punch. Is it's here and back. So all combined, the punch travels shoulder protecting the face, other hand protecting the other side of your face, and this rolls, and your center is pushing it. So after this happens and this occurs, you bring your hip back. Okay? This is a problem. Again, and then retrieve your center. Your leg, everything is moving at once. Your center is moving your legs, your upper body, your shoulder, everything. And once again, shoulder protecting your face, right hand protecting the other side of your face. Okay? Give it a shot. Over. Exactly. I want to show another crucial point of this technique, and it's the arm positioning. I know we just talked about it, but when you're out here, you can long hook, but you get so much more power when you, so let's demonstrate that. So you're going to be out here, okay, and you're going to push on me. See, basically, it's like what we call a power leak. Now, push in, you're letting your body push, that's it. Now you have more, exactly. So this, I mean, long hooks are a punch, and we'll get into that later, but you'll notice that your maximum power is when you're in this, I call it just having your arm like an L. The left hook, lead hook, excuse me, in my case right now, the left hook, is mainly a close range weapon. And there are different hooks, and we'll get into those later. Okay, so simple application for the move. And remember, it's close range the way we're throwing this one. He throws his cross, boom! Okay? I know everybody likes the boom sound effects. So, as he goes, okay, temple.
Or
Also,
if I don't protect with my
absolutely.
shoulder, jaw.
It's a great counter off of their right hand. Okay, so I really like this as a defensive, a counterattack. Also has so many applications we're getting into of hooking off of your jab and throwing it after a cross. So, like I said, this is just the very basics of the lead hook.